Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve the issue argument of type email sent is true and is not assignable to a parameter of a type T query D partial entity. So basically this kind of issue is you will get in when you are working on the TypeScript, and this issue I get in when I try to update with a particular parameter with the particular ID, right? So I'm getting this issue. So how I'm going to how I have solved this issue, and I'm googling Google it so much. So finally, I get one solution, and which is workable, because this issue comes why, because is email sent is basically a boolean, but we haven't described the type, what type it gonna be in the update query or whatever. So let me add the query over here. So this is the query. So here when I try to update the email with true, so here you need to pass as any, or what any means, like it could be anything, like it could be number, string, boolean, anything it could be. So here you need to just define as any, and the rest of the query will execute successfully. I have checked this in my project and it's working fine. So hope it will help you to solve this issue very easily and quickly. So if exactly it solved your issue, so please do like and comment that it really solved your issue, right? I have already invested so much time on that, so I hope you will get in solve your issues with this query. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.